Is court-ordered therapy overused? By Braxton, Mounteer, legal assistant. Whether you believe that everyone needs or could benefit from therapy, or that it is only for the most dysfunctional families, you, like most people, likely agree some therapy has a place in family law matters. For all the benefits of court-ordered therapy, however, therapy can be misused and abused. For therapy to be effective in these kinds of settings, if you don't have a willing and earnest participation, it's not going to work. It is hard work to confront your own faults and the faults of those who may have hurt you. It's hard to better yourself. It's hard to reconcile with past abuse, betrayals, and other kinds of mistreatment. One who is forced into therapy will, in most cases, refuse to participate or even actively oppose it. Is it any wonder why courts often order too much therapy, with too much meaning either ordering therapy too often or ordering therapy for too long? There are many reasons for this, but two of the worst are virtue signaling courts and greedy therapists. Many judges and commissioners order therapy so that they can't be accused of not being thorough or of not being sufficiently sensitive and caring and protective. This results in therapy being ordered even when it's not needed or even warranted. It's easy for courts to order therapy. It feels good. It's a cheap, easy way for courts to look good. It doesn't cost the commissioners and judges a penny to order therapy. The point of ordering family members into therapy is really, see if it helps. Not everyone needs therapy. Some problems aren't problems or big enough problems to warrant therapy. It's likely a safe bet that most people might benefit from a little therapy. We're all flawed. Better safe than sorry is tempting, but forcing people into therapy who aren't dysfunctional can itself cause dysfunction. I'm referring to the emotional equivalent of scraping your knee. Those situations wouldn't require the emergency room or physical therapy. However, when a court orders therapy, left, right, and center, is making something that can help a lot of people into a hammer and every potential problem a nail. You may say, well, even if the only benefit that the therapy provides is a place to voice your problems, it is still better than nothing. Then you would be wrong. What if a child is handling the divorce well and putting him or her in therapy makes the child falsely feel he or she is being treated for a non-existent problem? Money wasted on needless therapy could leave one unable to pay for other needs in other aspects of one's life and the life of one's children. If you are an aggressive and abusive husband or an emotionally abusive and cheating wife, and your children take issue with that, it's your fault. Therapy isn't glue to keep your family together. You can't expect someone to keep a ship afloat if you are constantly drilling holes in the hull. Sometimes you really are the problem and could benefit from facing and fixing your issues. When courts default to ordering therapy as a catch-all, cure-all, they're phoning it in. No one benefits from that. If you're afraid to oppose therapy because you're afraid you'll be labeled anti-child or anti-caring, don't be. If the court can't make a cogent case that therapy is truly necessary or clearly warranted, have the gumption and courage to object. If you don't, then you have no one to blame but yourself if needless knee-jerk therapy is ordered in your case.